Hello dear students, good morning. So welcome to another class of previous episodes, and in the last class we discussed about our lesson 4 things around us, and in that chapter we discussed about natural thing, man-made thing and difference between living and non-living things. Okay, so now it's time to start our next lesson. That is lesson number 5, in the sky. Lesson 5, in the sky. In the sky. This is our last chapter in this theme, and here in this chapter, we are going to study about sky and the sun, the moon and the stars. Okay, so let's start our lesson. And before that, in your textbook, page number 131. So take the page number 131. Here is a startup section. Color the things that you see in the sky and call out their names. Okay. So here we want to color the things that you see in the sky. We see many things in the night sky and also in the daytime. And here, which are the things that we see in the sky? Sun is in the sky, and moon and stars. Okay. And you identify the things that see in the night sky and color the things. That's your homework. Okay. Then we are going to start our lesson 5, in the sky. So the sky is blue during the day and we see sun during the day in the sky, and the sun shines brightly during the day, and sun is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. Okay, and we get light during the daytime from the sun. So sun is the brightest thing and which shines brightly during the daytime. So the sky is blue color. Sky is blue color during the day. And we see sun in the sky during the day, and in the night time or in the night sky we see the stars and moon in the sky. Okay, we see the stars and moon in the night sky. And during daytime, in the sky you can see the sun, and it is the brightest object, and we get the heat and light of sun during the daytime. And during night time, we see the sun and moon on the, we see stars and moon in the night sky. Then we are going to study about the sun, the moon and stars. And the first one, the sun. So the sky is blue color in daytime, and the object that we get heat from the sun during the daytime. So the first thing that found in sky is the sun. The sun. T-H-E, the sun. Yes, U-N, sun. So the sun. So what is the spelling of the word sun? Yes, U-N, sun. And sun is the brightest thing that we see in the sky during the daytime. So it is the brightest thing. B R I G S T E S T, brightest. It is the brightest thing during the daytime. Brightest thing, T-H-I-N-G, and during the daytime. So the sun is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime. In the sky, brightest thing in the sky during the daytime. S-K-Y, sky during the daytime. Okay, so the sky during the daytime. During the daytime or during the day, which is the brightest thing in the sky during the day? Sun. The sun is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime. And the sun is like a big ball of fire. It's like a big ball of fire. So it looks like a L-I-K-E, like a big ball of fire. B-I-G, big ball of B-A-L-L, big ball of fire. F-I-R-E, big ball of fire. And the sun is like a big ball of fire, and it's very huge compared to our Earth. As compared to our planet Earth, the sun is very big. Okay, and here the sun is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime, and it looks like a big ball of fire. And compared to our planet Earth, the sun is huge as compared to our planet Earth. It's very big as compared to our planet Earth. And sun is a star. Sun is a star, and our planet Earth revolves around the sun. And there are 8 planets in our solar system, and the 8 planets revolves around the sun. Okay, so the sun is a star, and it is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime, and it's like a big ball of fire. So brightest, B-R-I-G-H-T-E-S-T, brightest is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime, and it is very huge compared to our planet Earth. So which is our planet? Our planet is Earth. Life exists only on the planet Earth due to the presence of air, water and sunlight. Then it looks small as if very far off. So the sun is look like very small because it is very far away from the Earth. So the sun is very big as compared to our planet Earth. Then we get heat and light from sun. So the sun gives us heat and light. The sun gives us G-I-V-E-S, gives us heat, H-E-A-T, heat, and A-N-D, and heat and light, L-I, G-H-T, heat and light. Okay, so the sun is the brightest thing in the sky during the day, and it looks like a big ball of fire, and gives us heat and light. Are you understood about the sun? And we get heat and light from the sun, and all the living things like plants and animals need warmth of sun to live. And the plants need sunlight to prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So the sun is the brightest thing in the sky during the day, and it looks like a big ball of fire, and it gives us heat and light. So the sun gives us heat and light. So these are the basic facts about the sun. And the sun is a star. The sun is a star. The sun is a star. S-T-A-R, star. The sun is a star, and it is nearer us than other stars. So, which is the sun is a star, and the sun is nearer to our planet as compared to other stars. Then here, take your textbook and take the page number 132 and face a portion, and here you can see that sky is blue in color during the daytime. Okay, and here take the page number 132 and look at your textbook. I will read the text. Listen carefully. Okay. The sky looks blue in color during the day. We see the sun during the day, and it's a The picture shows day sky. It's blue in color and the sun shines very brightly during the day and we get the heat and light of the sun during the daytime. Then we see the stars and the moon during the night and this picture shows night sky, picture of night sky, and during night sky, in the night sky we can see many stars and moon in the sky. So take the next page. The sun, and here you can see the picture of the sun and it looks like a big ball of fire. Okay, and the brightest thing that we see in the sky during the day is the sun. The sun is like a big ball of fire. It is very huge compared to our earth. It looks small as it is very far off. The sun gives us heat and light. All plants and animals need warmth of the sun to live. W-A-R-M-T-H, warm. All the plants and animals need the heat of the sun to live. Then do you know the sun is a star? The sun is a star. It is nearer to us than other stars. It is the closest star to the earth. You should not look at the sun directly because sunlight is very bright and it can harm your eyes. So do not look at the sun directly with our naked eyes, and the sunlight is very bright and it harmful to our eyes. Okay. So the sun is a star. The sun is a star and it is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime. And the sun looks like a big ball of fire and gives us heat and light, and all plants and animals need the heat of sun to live, or the warmth of sun to live. Okay, so the sun is a star. It is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime and it looks like a big ball of fire and it is the nearest star to the earth and it gives us heat and light. Okay, then the next one. Then the moon, T-H-E, the moon, M-O-O-N. And the moon shines. So the moon shines at night sky. So the moon shines in the night sky and is the brightest thing in the night sky. So the moon is the brightest thing in the night sky. So the brightest thing in the daytime, day sky is the sun, and the brightest thing in the night sky is the moon. Brightest thing, B-R-I-G-H-T-E-S-T, brightest, B-R-I-G-H-T-E-S-T, brightest thing in the night sky. T-H-I-N-G, thing in the night sky, N-I-G-H-T, night sky. So which is the brightest thing in the night sky? The moon. The moon is the brightest thing in the night sky. And the moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. So the moon has no light of its own. The moon has no light of its own. The moon, M-O-O-N, moon, has no light of its own. Has, H-A-S, has no light of, L-I-G-H-T, light of its own. So the moon has no light of its own and it reflects the light of the sun. It reflects the light of the sun. It reflects, R-E-F-L-E-C-T-S, reflects the light of the sun. Reflects the light. Reflects the light of the sun. So the moon has no light of its own and it reflects the light of the sun. Due to the bright light of the sun, we cannot see the moon during the daytime. sun. So the moon is the brightest thing in the night sky. So which is the brightest thing in the night sky? The moon. The moon is the brightest thing in the night sky, and the moon has no light of its own and it reflects the light of the sun. The moon reflects the light of the sun. Okay, and you can if you notice that the shapes of the moon will change different days. Okay, every night you will notice that the shape of the moon changes every night. Like sometimes we can see the full moon, sometimes it's half, like that. So this is called phases of the moon. And the different phases of the moon are full moon, crescent moon, half moon, and new moon or no moon. Okay, new moon or no moon. Then which are the phases of the moon? Full moon, half moon, crescent moon, and no moon. So phases of the moon means the shapes of the moon changes every night, and the changing the shape of the moon is known as phases of the moon. So the moon is the brightest thing in the night sky, and the moon has no light of its own, and it reflects the light of the sun. So the moon reflects the light of the sun. So because they do not, moon has no light of its own. And we cannot see the moon during the daytime because due to the bright light of sun. Okay, and during the night time it reflects with the help of the sun's light. Okay, and here phases of the moon. P H A S E S phases phases of the moon. T H E of the moon. M-O-O-N phases of the moon. And every night the shapes of the moon will be changes, and the change in shape of the moon is known as phases of the moon. And the different phases of the moon are the full moon. The first one, the full moon. F-U-L-L, full moon. The full moon. Then second one, half moon. H-A-L-F, half moon. M-O-O-N, half moon. And the third one is crescent moon. C-R-E-S-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent moon. And the fourth one is no moon, that is new moon. Okay, no moon. So the four shapes of the moon are the full moon, half moon, crescent moon, and no moon. So full moon, F-U-L-L, full moon, M-O-O-N. Then half moon, H-A-L-F, M-O-O-N, half moon. Then crescent moon, C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent moon, M-O-O-N. So what is the spelling of the word crescent? C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent moon, M-O-O-N. Then no moon. So these are the phases of the moon. P, H, A, S, crescent moon, no moon. Full moon, half moon, crescent moon and no moon. Okay. So these are the different phases of the moon. So moon shines in the night sky and moon has no light on thereon and they reflect in the light of the sun, and the different phases of the moon are full moon, half moon, crescent moon and no moon. So these are the different phases of the moon. So take the page number 133 and here is our portion, the moon. So look at your textbook. I will read the text. Listen carefully. The moon. The moon shines in the sky at night. It is the brightest thing in the night sky. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. If you observe the sky every night, you will notice that the shape of the moon changes every night, and change in shape of the moon is known as phases of the moon. And these are the different phases of the moon: the full moon, the half moon, the crescent moon and the no moon. So these are the different phases of the moon. So which are the phases of the moon? Full moon, half moon, crescent moon and no moon. Then the next one, the stars. The stars, S-T-A-R-S, the stars. So at night, when the sky is clear, we can see lots of stars and they twinkling in the night sky. So the stars are very big in size, but they look so small because they are very far away from the earth. So we can see the stars very small. So actually the stars are very big in size, and the stars have light of their own like the sun. All the stars are, sun is a star and they have their own, and sun has their own light. Like that, all the stars in the night sky has their own light. They twinkling on their own light, and the stars make beauty to the night sky, and go at night and try to locate the night sky. It's very beautiful. Okay, and groups of stars forms a pattern in the night sky. A group of stars or some stars group together to make a pattern in the night sky. Okay, so take the textbook and take the page number 134. The stars. At night, when the sky is clear, we can see lots and lots of stars. Stars are very big in size, but they look so tiny because they are very far away from us. And this picture shows stars in the night sky. Stars are twinkling in the night sky, and can see the night sky. It's very beautiful. Like the sun, stars also have their own light. So the stars have their own light. Groups of stars form patterns in the sky like the one seen here. And like this, the group of stars form patterns like this, and the different patterns are Ursa Major, Leo, etc. That we will discuss in our next classes. Okay. And go out at night sky and try to locate them in the sky. So you just go out at night and try to locate them in the night sky, and it's very beautiful. Okay. So the stars are their own light. Stars are their own light and they are twinkling in the night sky. So in this chapter, we discussed about the sun, the moon and the stars. So these are the things that we can see in the sky. The sun is the brightest thing in the sky during in the day sky, and the moon is the brightest thing in the night sky. And the stars are twinkling in the night sky. They have their own light. Okay. So in this chapter we discussed about the sun, the moon and the stars. So the sun is a star and it gives us heat and light. And all plants and animals need the warmth of the sun to live. And moon has no light of its own, and it is the brightest thing in the night sky, and it reflects in the light of the sun. And the shape of the moon changes every night, and it is called phases of the moon. And the different phases of the moon are the full moon, half moon, crescent moon and no moon. And the stars can be seen twinkling in the night sky, and like the sun, stars also have their own light. So stars also have their own light. Okay. And in our lesson 5 is over, and now we are moving to our exercise portion. Okay. And fill in the blanks with the help of the help box. And the first question, the sky looks dash in color during the day. The sky looks what color during the day? The sky looks blue in color during the day. So you write blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Then the second question, the dash is like a big ball of fire, which is look like a big ball of fire. Sun. The sun is the brightest thing in the sky during the daytime, and it is look like a big ball of fire. So the answer is the sun. So you write sun. Yes. U-N. Sun. Then the third one. All plants and animals need dash of the sun to live. All plants and animals need warmth of the sun to live. Warmth. So answer warmth. Warmth means heat. W-A-R-M-T-H. W-A-R-M-T-H. All plants and animals need warmth of the sun. Then question number 4. The brightest thing in the night sky is which is the brightest thing in the night sky? Moon. The moon is the brightest thing in the night sky. So the brightest thing in the night sky is the moon. So the answer is moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. And the question number 5. Some groups of stars form dash in the sky. Some group of stars form patterns in the sky. Some group of stars form patterns in the sky. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Patterns. N-S. Patterns. Some group of stars form patterns in the sky. So, first question, the sky looks blue in color during the day. And in the second question, the sun is like a big ball of fire. And the third question, all plants and animals need warmth of the sun to live. And the fourth question, the brightest thing in the night sky is the moon. And the fifth question, some groups of stars form patterns in the sky. And the spelling patterns, P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S, patterns. And warmth, W-A-R-M-T-H, warmth. Okay. Then the next part. say yes or no. So some statements about the sun is given and we want to write it's true or false. If it's true, write yes, say yes, and if it's no, say no. Okay. And the first statement, each gives us light, which means the sun gives us light. Is it true or false? The sun gives us light. It's true. It's yes. The sun gives us heat and light. So say yes. So write yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Then second question. Each gives light to the moon to shine. The sun gives light to the moon to shine. Yes, the sun gives light to the moon to shine. The moon reflects the light of sun. So say yes. Yes. Then the third question. Each gives light to the stars to shine. Is it true? No, the stars are their own light. They're twinkling on their own light. So the statement is false. So say no. Then the question number 4. Each gives us warmth. Yes, the sun gives us warmth. We get the heat of the sun. So say yes. Then the next one is match the following by drawing lines. And here the first one is sun, and sun gives us heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. Gives us heat and sun gives us heat and light. And the second one, it's a moon. Moon changes shape every night. Moon changes 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 shape shape changes shape every night. Every night. And the last one is stars. Stars twinkle at night. Stars twinkle. T-W-I-N-K-L-E. Twinkle. Stars twinkle at night. A-T at night. So you match the following. Sun gives us heat and light. So match with option C. Then the moon changes shape at every night. So match with A. And the stars twinkle at night sky. So match with option B. So these are the answers of the exercise questions. And take the next page. Circle the correct answer. And the first question. Which is closer to us, the sun or moon? Which is closer to us? Sun is a star which is closer to our planet Earth. So you circle the word sun. Then when does the moon shine? When does the moon shine? The moon shines in the night sky. So circle the word night. Which are many in numbers? Stars or moon? The stars are many in numbers during night sky. So circle stars. So these are the answers of exercise questions given in your textbook. So in this chapter we discussed about the sky, the sun, the moon and the stars. Okay. And which are the different phases of the moon? The full moon, the half moon, crescent moon and no moon. So write the spelling of full moon, half moon, crescent moon and no moon in your class book in 10 times and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. So lesson number 5 in the sky is over. and here portion this time is also over, and we so study well, and today let's wind up our class and read your textbook more and more times, and the text reading is very very important, and if you have any doubts ask me. Okay, so let's wind up our class and we will meet with another class on next day. Okay students, study well, have a nice day. Thank you.